Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to do some basic exploratory data analysis in R using the built-in cars dataset. The cars data has specifications for 32 cars, including miles per gallon, weight, horsepower, and more. It's perfect for demonstrating EDA techniques like making plots, finding outliers, imputing missing values, and encoding variables. Let's make a box plot and histogram of the horsepower variable to see the distribution. The box plot shows the range in quartiles, while the histogram shows the frequency distribution. We can see most cars are lower horsepower. Next, let's detect outliers using z-scores and interquartile range. Values like 300 and 335 horsepower are potential outliers. We can remove them with subsetting or using the filter function from dplyr package. For missing data, we can impute the mean for numeric variables and mode for categorical ones. The imputs package makes this easy. Finally, we encode the transmission variable using label, one-hot, and ordinal encoding. This converts the categorical data into numeric formats for modeling. That covers the basics of EDA in R. Check the video description for code and resources. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.